Hi everyone. So hope you are doing good, great today. So today I'm going to install Nobara Linux. So what is Nobara Linux? No, Nobara project. This one, the Nobara project. To put it simply, it's modified version of Fedora Linux, which user-friendly fixes added to. The Fedora is very good workstation OS. However, anything involving in any kind of third-party proprietary packages. Yeah, if you want to read more about this, you can go here. Nobara Wiki, Nobara FAQ, and new user installation general user guide. You can visit here. And okay, and if you want, so this is the place where you can download it. So see, this is the place where you can download it. This is download link. Just click over here. Just click here. It will take you to here. These are the different images of it. You can download this. So just to save the time, I've already downloaded this. So let's go there and we'll try to create a. So this is the wiki page where you can read everything about it, and this is the project wiki, all the details over here, and this is the basically user guide. Okay, so you can visit this for if you need any help related to installation and all. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, okay, great. Let's start VM. New virtual machine. Next, uh, I'll choose the ISO file over here. Okay, so there. Okay, I have already downloaded this. Next, so it has identified that it's Fedora. Okay, so I'll give this name over here instead of Fedora. Nobara. Next, 25 GB. You can give anything. I'll customize for memory. I'll give it 16 GB. I'll give it 3 processor, 2 plus 3, 6 processor I will give. Okay, close. And okay, network I'll choose as bridged. Okay, finish. Yes. So it's starting now. Let's wait for it. Started. Start Nobara. Let it start. Starting now. Let's wait for it. Mhm. So yeah, this is Genome version. You have different options to download. If you go here, so you can see. Okay, Nobara ISO, Nobara KDE version, Genome version, Steam HPC. So basically, whichever you like, the desktop interface, you can download from that. So I had downloaded this one. Okay, great. Interface looks good. So this is installer version. Okay, English, American English, that's fine. Next, next. Here I'll choose India, obviously. Next, keyboard, I'll leave it default one. And what is your name? As you all know, I think it's not very visible, although. Okay, let leave it. So with this is basically user details you need to give here. PC name and OBA. Okay, it's not letting me change. Okay, my bad. Nobara PC password, root password. I think there is some issue if I have to click 2 times basically. Password is too short. It's fine. I just have to use this one. Next, partition erase disk. You can do manual partition also if you want. So basically, if you are installing it on like direct on system, what you can do, you can choose your own layout of partition. Here I will choose the default one only. Okay, next. Now install now. Maybe I can make it bigger. Okay, so I can make it bigger and we can explore a bit. Okay, so installation is going on. Meanwhile, we'll explore it. So first icon is setting. So let's see the settings. This will be obviously same as other Linux boxes. So network related setting, Bluetooth, display, orientation, everything you can check here. Sound, power, multitasking, appearance, multitasking. You can define hot corners. Hot corner basically if you install, if you bring your mouse here, this it will be like this automatically. So in this VM it does not work. I'm not sure why. Appearance, okay, great. We'll see how it looks. Great. So different, good amount of wallpapers, apps. So these are the default apps which are available. Brave, okay, they are using Brave web browser. Calculator, calendar, camera, characters, basically clock, connections, contact, discover, disk related thing, disk, users analyzer, document scanner, document viewer, Fedora, media writer. So these are the different applications which are by default available, and you can do settings related to this. So some settings will be there related to this application. You can work on that. See, notification enable or disable. These are the different settings basically related to that application. Then we have notification, search. So this will search inside this. You can enable, disable everyone, like everything according to your need. Online accounts, you can configure your Google, Microsoft, NetCloud, all other accounts over here. Sharing, you can enable file sharing or media sharing or a remote desktop over here. Well-being, mouse and touchpad related settings, keyboard, color management, printers, accessibility, privacy, security, and system. So this is all about system, region and language, date, users, and all the settings are here. Okay, so we have explored the setting. Let's see what other options are there. So this is what this is called. This is called flat post. Flat post. Okay. So I think this is a software installation center, software center. Okay. Okay, so it's basically loading or downloading the metadata of the softwares which are available. Okay, installation is going at good speed, but I have seen like many other desktop editions. So I think some of them completed in like 5 minutes or so. So these are the different softwares which are available. You can download it, install. So this will show you the installed list. Okay, it will load, I think, in some time. So updates, if any update is available, repository, you can define repository over here. So this is, you can add other repository also here. You can add and like this. You can choose a repository file and add it. Okay, trending, trending softwares, popular softwares, updated softwares, and these are the categories. Okay, productive. So desktop apps. Okay, so these are different type of softwares. So basically, whatever you need, you have lot of options to install it. Graphics related, audio, video, education, networking, games also available. You can install and play some games. Developer tools. Okay, these are the different tools which are related to development, science, system, and utility. So these are the basic categories. And you can like just go click here. Okay, plus. So do you, it's asking do you want to install? Okay, like this you can click here and install this one. Okay, fine. Let's close this now. Okay, so the installation has done. We'll restart and then we'll explore again. Okay, from the Windows. So it's restarting. It took around like 5 minutes maximum to installation. Although it's with VM inside virtual machine, so it takes somewhat more time than on actual system that you can expect. Okay, great. So genome, all familiar. Enter the password. Okay. So this is welcome screen. Enjoy. First step. So here you can launch these things. Open driver management. These things you can launch. Recommended addition. You can install this software. It's recommended. This is related to video editor. Install OBS Studio. Install Discord. These are the options are there. Troubleshooting issue. Join and contribute. So this is basically welcome screen. Let's close it. Let's move now. So setting, we have explored the software center. This is file manager, a kind of Windows Explorer file manager. This seems to be at slow at first, but should be a bit faster. It seems to be a bit slow. I have clicked it, but till now it has not opened. Let's click it again. I'm not sure what happening. Okay, so it took some time, but it has opened. This obvious, like as you know, file manager. So home, recent, start, network, trash, document, music, pictures, video, download, and this one. Okay, so this is the ISO which we mounted. Okay, let's close the file manager. Then we have Brave browser. So they are using Brave browser by default. So if you want, you can install it. You can install it whichever you want. Okay, so we have seen the browser which is available. Now we'll see the applications which are there by default. So we have already seen the available application, but anyhow, we'll explore it again. Calculator, contact, weather, clock, maps, calendar, document, scanner, discover. Let's see what it is. I think this will be a software center. It is taking a lot of time. Even I have assigned 16 GB RAM and 6 cores of CPU. Then also it's taking a lot of time. Let's wait it to open. Then Fedora Media Writer. I think USB, like if you want to create USB or something, you can use this video and camera, characters, fonts and all. Utilities, inside utility we have connections, document viewer, file rural, font, image viewer. Okay. You can also edit it. You can change the names and all. And we have system related thing, disk user, disk, log, parental control. This is a new option I've seen in Linux version. Good. Tweak related, tweaking related to the system. Tweak. Okay. So you can tweak like this. You're in like Look and feel you can change with this. Okay. System Firefox. Okay, Firefox is also available. So by default, it's using Brave browser, but Firefox browser is also available. Gedit, text editor, help. I'm not sure what is this. Google, full basic and first control. What is this? Some kind of software related to stock and all. So you can explore it if you are interested. It's not opening, not closing. Okay. There is some issues with this. I'm not sure why. Close, close, close. Why it's not closing? Okay, okay. Now it will close. Sorry, my bad. See, there was one dialog box opened, and then okay. Let's move forward. Gedit. Okay, in space, this is a vector graphics editor. Language: Libra base, LibreOffice, Libra PowerPoint. Okay, maths, Office Writer, repository, IFTN. These are the different software which are. This is the package manager. You can install through this also some software. Trick tool. Let's see. Configure file. Okay. Enable. I'm not sure why it is. Never a trick tool. Configure file to something related to files and all. Okay. Game. Open gamepad UI. Let's open it. Till it's open. Photon Plus, Open RGB. These are the different applications which are available. If you are interested, you can install it and explore it. So basically, these are the things which are available here. Hope you have got some idea about this operating system. It's somewhat sluggish. Some applications are opening, some are not opening. Not sure why. So the developers of this operating system should look into this. Hope it's clear. I'm not sure why it's happening. So the people who make this operating system, they should look into this a bit and see whether I am wrong or the some issue with the operating system. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great time ahead. Please do like, subscribe, comment. Have a great time. Bye bye.